Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert or remove a SIM card from your iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 14 and the 14 Plus, any of the 14 lineup that you have, and similar method will work on any of the newer iPhone as well. So we're going to walk you through the steps on how you can insert and install a new SIM card, and if you need to remove an existing SIM card, you can also do that as well. So let's get started. Here I have the iPhone 14 Pro that we'll do the demo on, but again, this method will work on any of the 14 with it. Now, one thing about the iPhone 14, and depending on where you live, you might not actually have a physical SIM card to install. And what I mean by that is, in the United States, the iPhone 14 lineup no longer has an actual physical SIM card. It only has an eSIM card. And what that means is you'll need to activate an eSIM card. So if you're in the United States, you need to follow the instruction on how to activate an eSIM card, which I'll leave a link for that in the comment or the description section. But if your phone does have a SIM card, actual physical SIM card that you can install with the SIM slot, what you'll notice here, you can tell a couple ways here. In your pamphlet, if you open up your pamphlet, right, what will happen is you'll either have this thing where it says you no longer have a physical SIM card. That means you need to activate an eSIM card because this is a US model one. So I'll show you one without, one with the SIM card slot, which are more of the ones that out of the United States that the Apple sells it. So if you have this, that means you have a eSIM card. But if you open it up and the same pamphlet and you see this tool right here that's known as a SIM ejector tool, that means you have a physical SIM card and you want to grab that piece of tool. Now let's say you bought a used iPhone, or you got it from somewhere else that didn't come with the box and everything, and you don't have this tool. Don't worry, you can also take an actual something like a paper clip like this and bend it so it looks like exactly the same thing and it works exactly the same, or like an old earring or something. So if your phone does have a physical SIM card, it's going to be on your left hand side here where the volume up and down button is. It's going to be right here. So as you can see here, there will be a slot right here. Here, this is the US model iPhone 14 Pro, so it doesn't have a physical SIM card, but I'll show you on a model like the iPhone 12 Pro here that has a physical SIM card. So for the United States model, Apple stopped putting physical SIM card for after iPhone 13. So the iPhone 13 lineup was the last one that you can get a physical SIM card with the US model. So here, what it will do is, if yours is the one that has a SIM card, it will be there with that hole like that. You'll have that SIM tray, and all you do is take this SIM ejector tool that we got out of the packet, or another piece like a paper clip or something, basically on some, to be able to fit something in there. You're going to push it in there and that will pop up the SIM card tray just like that. And what you'll need to do is, after that, is get your SIM card that you have from your carrier, make sure your phone is compatible or unlocked, and then you'll see here it will be like a SIM card will be like a nano size SIM, which is going to be similar to that. There's going to be letter and stuff. And then you'll match up this cut corner and then just simply place the cut corner of the SIM card, and that metal or the bronze piece is going to be facing you out and it's going to sit flat. And all you'll do is, with your iPhone, you're just going to simply insert it back, line it up exactly the hole, and it should sit against the bezel flush like that. And after that, if your SIM card is active and ready to go, you'll get phone service and you should be able to see the service come up here. Sometimes it takes a moment or so and you should start seeing your phone working like it should. Now, if you're having issues, of course, it doesn't work or you're not getting service here, sometimes you have to restart the phone by holding the volume up button and the side button at the same time, just like that. You're going to hold that, slide to power off, and then press the side button once it turns off to turn it back on, and that might fix it. Sometimes if your SIM card is damaged, you may need to get a new one, or sometimes the carrier might activate your SIM card. So if that's the case, you need to contact your carrier and they can help you activate your SIM card. Well, that's how you insert or remove a SIM card from your iPhone 14 lineup if you do have a physical SIM card. Now, if you don't have it, again, make sure you follow the eSIM card instruction, which will be in the description section or in the comment section. And I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.